Hello, chemistry fans, and welcome your faces back to chemistry problem-solving session here at the Academic Success Center for Chemistry 1032. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I will be guiding you through this problem today. Define the following terms: osmosis and osmotic pressure. All right? Osmosis is the flow of water through a semi-permeable membrane into a solution of high solute concentration. In other words, it's the flow of water through a membrane from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration of solute. So let's just write that term, the definition down. Flow of H2O through a semi-permeable membrane into a solution of high solute concentration. All right, that's osmosis. The water will flow through a semi-permeable membrane into a solution of high solute concentration. Okay? That's what it is. That's what it means. Now, let's draw a drawing to help explain that. So here we have a beaker. And in this beaker, we will put our membrane. Okay. And we will put water. So there's our water. Now, into one side, and one side only, we will put solute. So let's just put it's irrelevant what the solute is. So now, water will now go through the membrane. Water will travel through the membrane to dilute this solute over here. This will cause the water level to rise. So the water will increase on this side, but the water will decrease on that side. So the water decreases, the water increases as the water travels through the membrane to dilute that solute. That's osmosis. Okay? That's the water going from one side of the membrane to the other to dilute the solvent. Now, that has a limit. It can't go on forever. Why? Because as this water level increases, the pressure exerted down onto the water, onto the membrane, increases. Now the pressure of this water pushing down on the membrane prevents new water from entering. That's osmotic pressure. Okay? Pressure that prevents the flow of water into the more concentrated solution. Okay, so water wants to flow across this membrane to dilute this side. So the water's being pulled across into the other side of the membrane, and the water volume increases. As that volume increases, the pressure of the water pushing back on the membrane increases to a point the pressure is so great the water can't come across. That's osmotic pressure. Okay? The pressure that prevents the flow of water into the more concentrated solution. That's osmotic pressure. Okay? Now, your book does a real nice job at explaining this. I hope I did too. If not, ask one of the tutors here at the Academic Success Center. They're here to help you and explain this stuff to you. Now, don't let this stuff slide, because it's important to understand this in order to understand other important definitions. Okay? Now with that, I'd like to wish you good luck and good chemistry.